How does social contract theory apply to business ethics? Have you ever thought about the unspoken agreements that hold our society together? Social contract theory is a fascinating idea that suggests we all agree, even if just implicitly, on certain rules and standards to maintain order and harmony. When we apply this concept to business ethics, it raises important questions about how businesses should operate within society. At its core, social contract theory implies that businesses exist with the permission of society. This means they have a responsibility to act in ways that benefit the community. The agreement is often not written down, but it is understood through the norms and expectations we share. This leads to the idea that businesses have moral and political obligations to society. They should operate ethically, contribute to the welfare of the community, and follow laws and regulations. One interesting aspect of social contract theory is the veil of ignorance. This concept suggests that when making decisions, we should consider how those choices affect everyone, not just ourselves. In the business world, this means thinking about the impact on all stakeholders, including employees, customers, suppliers, and the community. This perspective aligns closely with corporate social responsibility, often referred to as CSR. Businesses are expected to go beyond legal requirements and engage in actions that benefit society. This might include initiatives for environmental sustainability, community development, or ethical labor practices. Philanthropy is another way businesses can fulfill their social contract. Donating to charities or supporting local projects demonstrates a commitment to the community. Moreover, social contract theory supports stakeholder theory, which emphasizes that businesses should prioritize the interests of all stakeholders, not just shareholders. This approach encourages ethical decision-making that balances profit with social responsibility. Compliance with laws and regulations is also part of this social contract. When businesses fail to comply, they risk legal issues and damage to their reputation. Additionally, as society becomes more aware of environmental issues, businesses are increasingly expected to adopt sustainable practices and reduce their environmental impact. In the broader context of philosophical ethics, social contract theory provides a framework for understanding how moral obligations are formed. It suggests that moral rules are not absolute truths but are created through agreements among individuals and groups. This viewpoint can be seen as a form of moral constructivism, where norms are shaped by social agreements. Ultimately, social contract theory encourages businesses to consider the societal impact of their decisions. It challenges them to move beyond just making profits and to focus on actions that benefit everyone. This approach aligns with ethical principles that prioritize fairness, justice, and the well-being of all involved. By understanding and applying social contract theory, businesses can create a more ethical and responsible environment that benefits society as a whole.